All right, let's talk breakfast. Today, we are going to build the ultimate quinoa breakfast bowl. This is such a simple way to totally upgrade your morning routine. So let's dive right in. Okay, let me ask you something. Are you kind of stuck in a breakfast rut? Tired of that same old cereal, the same piece of toast? Or maybe it's just a frantic cup of coffee as you're running out the door? Yeah, we've all been there.
But what if I told you there's a better way? Like, a much better way. A way to start your day with something that's warm, super energizing, and actually genuinely delicious. And the best part? It's so much simpler than you think.
So let's meet the star of the show, shall we? This is the honey almond quinoa bowl. And look, this isn't just some other alternative to oatmeal. Oh no, this is a complete and total breakfast upgrade.
So what makes this thing so special? Well, for starters, it's warm and creamy, just incredibly comforting. Plus, it is absolutely packed with protein, it's naturally sweetened, and you can have it ready in, like, minutes. Seriously.
Now, the real magic here, it's all in the ingredients. See, every single thing in this bowl was chosen for a reason, not just for taste, but for what it does, for its function in creating this perfectly balanced, energizing meal. So, let's break it down. All right, the foundation of this whole thing is quinoa. Now, I know what you might be thinking. Quinoa for breakfast, a lot of us just think of it as, a side dish for dinner. But trust me, it is an absolute game changer in the morning. Why? Because it's a true protein powerhouse.
Here's the deal. Quinoa is what's called a complete protein, and this is really, really key. Unlike most other plant-based foods, it has all 9 of those essential amino acids. Think of them like the building blocks your body absolutely needs to build and repair itself and to power you through the entire morning.
Okay, next up, for that perfect touch of sweetness, we've got honey. But again, it's not just there for flavor. No, this is all about smart energy. See, honey gives you this amazing source of natural, quick energy. Its sugars are super simple, which means your body can absorb them really easily. It's like a fast fuel source to wake up your body and your brain, but without that awful crash you get from refined sugars. Huge difference. Now, to make sure this breakfast actually keeps you full, we're bringing in the dynamic duo, almonds and chia seeds. These two right here, they are the secret weapon to staying full and focused all morning long.
They deliver on 2 absolutely crucial things: healthy fats and fiber. And what do those do? Well, they slow down digestion, which keeps you feeling full and satisfied right up until lunch, so you can say goodbye to those mid-morning snack attacks.
And of course, what's a comforting breakfast without that classic flavor? For that, we've got the perfect pair, apple and cinnamon. But this combo, it does so much more than just taste good.
The diced apple gives you a nice little dose of antioxidants, the stuff that helps protect your cells. And then the cinnamon, it brings that delicious, warming spice that honestly just feels like a hug in a bowl. It's flavor and function working together perfectly.
Okay, so now you get it, right? You know why all these ingredients work so well together. So let's get to the fun part and see just how ridiculously easy it is to build your ball. Seriously, this is so simple. First, you're just going to gently warm up your already cooked quinoa with some milk, cinnamon, a pinch of salt, and a little bit of that honey. Step 2, divide that warm, creamy mixture into 2 bowls. Step 3, add all your goodies: the diced apple, some almond butter, those sliced almonds, the chia seeds, and for the grand finale, just finish it with one last drizzle of honey. That is it. A perfect breakfast in, under 5 minutes?
But you know what the best part of a recipe like this is? It's not a list of strict rules you have to follow. Think of it more like a template, a starting point for you to get creative.
This bowl is so flexible. Want to kick up the protein? Stir in some Greek yogurt. When summer rolls around, swap out the apple for fresh berries. You could add a dash of vanilla for a deeper, warmer sweetness, or even sprinkle on some bee pollen for a unique superfood twist. I mean, the possibilities are pretty much endless. So, there you have it. That's the blueprint for a truly better breakfast. It's powerful, it's delicious, and it is so simple. The only question left is, how are you going to make it your own? What will your perfect power breakfast look like?